Okay, now that we've cut the holes in the material for that next section of the wall, the guys are going to get ready to show you how you put that up. Basically, everything's been cut to the right length. Does take two people. So you can see that this has all been cut precisely right. See how the holes were cut exactly where the electrical outlet was. And now they staple that up to the top to secure it. And then we'll repeat the process all over again with the caulking. Nice job with the cutting out the holes, Austin.